Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock the Stardust Collector badge in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have just obtained the Stardust Collector achievement badge in Heartopia game. And let me show you. Okay, if you want to get this badge, you need to collect 60 Starfall Shards. And you can collect the Starfall Shards during the Meteor Shower in Heartopia. Okay, now the Meteor Shower event is coming, and if you meet the Meteor Shower event, you need to immediately find Doris. The Starfall Shard will be around Doris location. And to find the Doris location, guys, I would like to recommend you to go to the fishing village. Usually she's at the fishing village, or if you can't find her right here, you can try to go to the Anen Mountain. Okay, here. And now Doris is at the fishing village, and you need to immediately collect the Starfall Shards around Doris. Okay, and I'm going to show you how the Starfall Shards looks like. Okay, you need to wandering around here. Okay, and this is the Starfall Shard. And go to your toolbox and equip your axe, and we're going to mine the Starfall Shards. Oops, sorry. Once you collect 60 Starfall Shards, you will obtain the Stardust Collector. Okay guys, and that's how we can obtain the Stardust Collector achievement in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!